here at WTI. Now, if you like to travel, you know that wherever you go, your devices may not work properly. So a power adapter is an absolute must-have. This one is from NTPRO. I love the way it's easily labeled. So you can see that there's a European plugin, UK, USA, and Australia. This will work in over 200 countries. It's great for all over the world internationally. And you can see the front side is the same, so you can put all sorts of different plugins in there. It also has 2 USB-A and 2 USB-C ports. So to charge all of your devices, you can use one outlet and then power everything on one little box. It's very portable, tucks into your luggage really easily, so you can take it anywhere. It's well made, and it will give you full confidence when you're traveling that you'll still be able to charge your phone and all of your devices and use it no matter where you are in the world. So if you're looking for similar, I think NTPRO makes an excellent travel adapter, and that's my point of view.